everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete all watch a letter videos on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first access a particular YouTube app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? Simply gonna go ahead afterwards, tap on this profile icon that get this given below right corner of the screen. Now here in this section you can find all of your playlist, right? If you go to this watch letter, here you will find all of your playlists. So you can see we do have a video right now here in this watch letter, right? We're gonna tap on this three icon here beside the particular video of ours, and this will show you this option called remove from watch letter. If we tap on this, this will simply remove our watch letter video just right from our playlist, just like that. That is the way you can simply do it. Hope this video was, and you can do it that for all of your videos, right? So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.